Hi, Joe Cerrone.
Hey, Alan Rosen.
Welcome to CAD 117, Intermediate AutoCAD, in our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Alrighty, so we're running our weekly Zoom classroom meeting using the same link. Remember, attendance isn't required, but it's a great way to ask questions and to stay on topic. This week, we've released Module 3, which goes through traditional drafting tools and computer-aided drafting basics. We have one assignment, which is to complete a mechanical drawing of this metric part. And then we have some bonus assignments, which is to create the additional assignments as shown here. We've updated the due dates in the calendar. And so as we look at the calendar and we look at the outline of topics, today's October 3rd, and Al has released the practice exam. Would you like to talk a little bit about that, Al?
Yes, the practice exam is open today. It's opened at about 8 o'clock this morning. And what it is, it's unlimited time you can take an exam. When you take them, and let's say you have 100 questions, 50 questions, 20 questions, whatever the case be, and you get half them right, when you take it for the second time, only the ones that get wrong come back up. So it helps you examine yourself and see what it is. The exam is basically going to be open on the 15th. So you should be able to have that one open for yourself and take it.
So the midterm
But that's
exam
what
is
it is.
on the 15th of October.
That is correct.
And then the exam is located under quizzes and exams, right, Al?
That's correct. If you
And
go in
so
there,
I'll show the students this while I'm as a student, and then I'll toggle over as a teacher so I can show them what it looks like.
the one above it, Joe.
And so the midterm practice exam basically goes through questions from the end of the chapters. And so we go through our content from the textbook.
And you have 120 minutes to take the exam, which is plenty of time to do it.
Right. The textbook is really well put together. It does a good job of going through architectural and mechanical drawings from a vocational standpoint or an employable application. And so when we look at the content area for Module 3, and we look at some of these concepts and traditional concepts, a lot of them we've had in CAD 116 or our basic AutoCAD. And so when we look at things like the interface or being able to open AutoCAD drawings, most students are quite efficient with that. And then when we look at these projects, going through project-oriented projects works really well. And so we'll take this drawing and we'll create it on a B-size metric title block. And so you're to download the B-size metric title block from D2L. In model space, draw the front, top, and right side views, add dimensions, center marks, and hidden lines, and then submit it to the D2L folder. And then the 3D is still bonus. And so I'm developing the videos. I had a glitch to this morning with some of the tapes. And so I'm reworking some of those, but they will be available for bonus credit. Students are basically to download the B-size metric title block, open it in AutoCAD, and then in model space, you're to create the drawing. And if I look at one of the completed ones, this is what the completed drawing will look like. And I'm just going to grab that and put that in D2L. It's been glitching on me as far as graphics go. And I had to fix something this morning. I'm going to try to fix it one more time because I like to show the CAD drawings in the splash page. So let me put that in real quick. I'm going to pause the video. All right, so resuming, So you're to download the B-size metric template and then create the front, right, top view. Remember to include center marks, hidden lines, and dimension lines. And we'll use those standards for orthographic projection from chapter 2. Alrighty, back to the main splash page. Okay, at that, this is going to be due module 3. Al, could you tell us about the due date for module 3?
Yes, module 3 is due on the 15th. That's a Sunday at 11:59 p.m. at night.
Excellent. And then there was a little bit
If-
of questions about when module 2 was due. And so the module 2 is due on the 8th.
8th, that is correct. If you click on the one, this is on module 3, please.
This one?
Yes, please. So if you click on it, it should come back up and show you exactly what's on the content page. So there should be no problem. So as you go down, it goes over everything that's there.
All right.
And it doubled it too, see?
Yeah, it's a little glitchy. It looks like it's linked though. And so if you have questions about things, just email us and we can help you with that information.
Yeah.
All right. With that, I'm going to stop the recording and open things up for questions.